Google Analytics is a popular and simple way to track your website users. In this example of my website, dereksu.com.au, we can see how many active users there are, we can see the event count, how many new users, we can even see the demographic of where the users are coming from, as well as what specific page they are looking at. So there's a lot of stats you can learn, and in this tutorial, I'll teach you how to install it in 3 easy steps. So step 1, you want to go to analytics.google.com and you want to sign in or register for a new account. So you can see right now it's prompting me to log in with one of my Google accounts, or you can go ahead and use another account. I'm going to go ahead and just log into my existing account. So from here, it would say welcome to Google Analytics, and there's a button that says start measuring. So we can go ahead and click this button, and then from here we can give it an account name. For example, I'll just call it my name, Derek Su. You can give it whatever name you want, maybe your company name. And then scrolling down, I usually just leave it how it is. I hit next. Then where it says property creation, you can give it a name of your company or your website. I'll just give it my name again. Then below here, reporting time zone, you can select your actual time zone. So in my case, it might be Australia and it might be Sydney time. And then below this is the currency. So just in case you do have an e-commerce site, this is how it attracts the conversion. So I'll just put AUD. Then I'll go ahead and hit next. Now it will just say business details, so you can see what industry you're in. For example, I can put business, and here it shows you what business size you're in, probably because Google wants to take your data. So I'll just put small, since I'm a one-man team at the current given point in time. Then here it tells you what business objectives you want. So do you want to generate leads? Do you want to drive sales if you have e-commerce? Do you want to understand the web traffic? Usually I tick this. Do you want viewer engagement? So you tick this. So whatever you think you need, then you hit create. So the next thing is you can read the terms and condition and click I accept. And once that's done, it says start collecting data. We can go ahead and hit web, and we can go ahead and add our URL. So maybe www.dereksu.com.au. So we can also give it a stream name, so just a name so you remember this by. So I'll just call it my name, Derek Su. Then below this, it measures the page view, scrolls, outbound clicks, and 4 more. Usually I just leave it how it is. I hit create and continue. So once you do that, you can go ahead and click into it, and you can see where it says measurement ID. We can go ahead and copy this measurement ID, head back to Webflow, whatever your website is, hit the project settings right here, site settings, or you can also go into this 3-dot icon and hit site settings right here. So once we're in the site settings, we can go ahead and head over to apps and integration, and where it says measurement ID, we can go ahead and paste that measurement ID, and we can hit save, and then we can go ahead and publish our site by clicking publish to selected domains. I've already done this, but once that's done, it may take anywhere between 24 hours to 48 hours for all the data to correctly update, but it should ideally be instant. So once we go back into our account, you can see at the top left, I have a bunch of different streams, but in this one, you can see everything is working. And on the left-hand side, we can even go to reports, real-time pages, or real-time overview right here, and it tells you how many people are active on your site right now. Again, sometimes it may take some time for it to update, and sometimes people might have like certain tracker blockers in their web browsers where it won't register, but everything should be feeding correctly once you follow those steps. And I hope you found this video helpful. My name is Derek Su. I'm a Sydney-based web designer and Webflow developer. You can check out more of my videos right here. See you in the next one. May peace be with you.